This one called Ring of Fire.
Ring of Fire.
You guys ready?
I'm gonna try to sing no harm to you on this.
If you mess up, I'll be very disappointed in you.
You'll be very disappointed in me. What else will happen, baby?
But I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be. I'm pretty sure you're gonna do a good job, though.
I'm pretty sure I will.
Don't get your hopes up.
Yeah.
Love is a burning thing.